Today I am going to tell you a story about Janmashtami. Janmashtami is also known as Krishnashtami. Janmashtami is called the birthday of Lord Krishna. Today I am going to tell you about that story. Once upon a time there was a very evil king whose name was Kansa. Kansa used to rule Mathura. He also had a younger sister whose name was Devaki. He loved his younger sister Devaki. So he married Devaki with a man whose name was Vasudev. So when they were going in the chariot to Kansa's palace, that time Kansa heard a sound from the sky. In that sky, he heard that somebody was telling that when Devaki will give birth to the 8th son, whose name would be Krishna, he would kill you. And then Kansa got very afraid. And then when he just got to his palace, immediately he was going to go and kill his sister Devaki. But Vasudev told that please don't kill Devaki. Whenever Devaki will give birth to any baby, you will kill that baby. Then Kansa didn't believe them, and then he locked them in a jail, and he also locked their hands and their legs. And whenever Devaki gave birth to any baby, he used to kill those just born babies until it was the 7th baby. He used to kill them. But when the 8th baby, Lord Krishna, was born, then Vasudeva was very scared, and even Devaki was. But just at that time, again from the sky one sound came. And that sound, the sound told that don't let Kans kill this baby, because this is a lord. He told that you go to the near village Gopa and leave Krishna near Nand Maharaj and bring the just born baby to whom Yashoda Maiya gave birth to. Then at the stormy night he went all the way till Vrindavan. That sound also told that you have to pass a river Yamuna. And then he went over there, but he couldn't understand how, because all the soldiers were guarding that jail and his hands were also locked. But just at that time, all the soldiers went into deep sleep, and also his hands locked also opened. And then he went to Vrindavan, to Gopa. That time, while he was going, it was raining so much that the water level came until his chin. And he also got difficulty to breathe, as the water was until his nose. But just at that time, when Krishna took out his leg from the basket and his feet touched the water, then the water automatically came until his shoulder. And that time, there were 5 snakes who were giving shelter to Krishna from the rain. That time, while he was going, after he passed the river Yamuna, he reached the village Gopa and left Krishna near Yashoda Maiya and brought the just born baby to whom Yashoda Maiya gave birth to. That time, when he came back to Kansa's palace, that time when it was morning, Kans woke up, and when he heard the cry of the baby, he ran and he came to the jail, and he was going to kill that baby with a hard and large rock. But that time the baby girl came into the roop of Ma Durga, and she fled up in the air and told that it's no use if you kill me, Kansa, because whoever is going to kill you has already born in Gopa. And he was very scared, and from that day he always used to send demons to Gopa, and he had never succeeded. Thank you. I wish you have a very nice Janmashtami.